Hello, hello, who is on live today? Hello, my lovely Facebookers, who is on live? Who is joining Tate on live? Today we are speaking about Ngochane, the LGBTI, the lives of LGBTI. We really want to talk about that. Who is online? Who is online? Oh, Ivy Russo Zenga. Lakoma Ivy, how are you doing? Oh, Chipo Gotwere Kwamtlanga. I see you. How are you, my baby? Rutendo Masimba. Hi, Sisi Tate. Madubs Onai. Oh, he has resigned. Hello, 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 my lovely Facebookers. How are you doing? Today we are talking about issues of the LGBTI. Ngochane. Yes, I can see people joining. Hi, Auntie. Tate Iwe president has resigned. Makoro koto. If it's true, congratulations, Zimbabwe. We were waiting for this. Oh, Tatelicious, Chipo, my way, Tapuma has joined. Hello from Canada, Tammy. Oh, Tammy, oh, you were never a man. People, Isabel Dabwa, hello Muror. Hey, Ansvasia Joshua, congratulations, Zimbabwe. I hear that, the president has resigned, and congratulations to everyone. It means a new season for Zimbabwe. Chero isungochani pamwe government yakuda kuyo pamwe ichati aiwa mana Tatelicious toda kukupai kodzero dzekunorapwa makasununguka. Oh, Zazoita, everyone is so happy. I love your plants. Thank you so much, people. I love French plants. Those are kind of love in it and everything. I love your plants. Thank you so much. Tate, I missed you. A true legend. I miss you, Yeshua. So let's talk about these issues of LGBTI. And also I'm going to make you join in terms of talking about the president also to say he has resigned. What does it mean for Zimbabwe? But the agenda today is about Ngochane, the LGBTI. By the way, Twitter saying Zakabva kupi Ngochane idzi. Hi, Tate, love you. Isabel, we love you. Ngochane, freedom, oye. Oh, thank you, Murora. And baby, Isabel, say hi to Naji and Tana. Mugabe has just resigned. Oh my God. I cannot sing Ngochane Zando's yet. Mugabe resign. Imamuskona to pane future. This is Tammy. We are so blessed in Canada. We hold our LGBTIQ to our equals and love them, and we are so grateful for the laws we have changed over the years. I pray for all. Thank you, Tammy Simunak. It shows very well. And also, Mugabe resigns a president. I can see something which is coming from my director of the show. Oh, congratulations. That's good. At least nasidoro kumabawa ngari mwiwe. Vanu itai zvinofadza kumabawa vanu ngavafare mudzimba vanu ngavafare nai. We were born this way. Thank you so much, TAZ. Can you also tell us your struggles as Ngochane? And also, I would like to really give a definition to these terms. To say, all right, let's talk about gay people. Ngochane dzechirume dzinoda varume dzine kodzero here. Ndoda kunzwawo kune vanhu vasingafarire Ngochane vatiudze mareason avo. Kana riri bhaibheri motivhurira shoko munyasotikotera kuti zvinofamba sei. You look so beautiful. Thank you so much, Brenda Nyamayaro. Tasha Bakata, I love you so much. We are talking about these issues of the LGBTI. Inone kusiya kwaito president. Tinobva tanzwawo vamwe ini ndakaenda boarding school yevakomana vaimva wanzi anoda kurohwa kumanyowa uyu. Ndo matauriro evamwewo aisitomboti ndisu zvedu emanyowa kotogodi zvedu nemanyowa edu. And Shami Mahomba. Hi Shami, I love you so much. Love all LGBTIQ. That's beautiful. And JT says, as Zimbabweans, I think we are very resilient. And as the LGBTIQIAAP community, we are strong. That's very true. And also, JT, tell us your discrimination which you has faced. Wakamboudzwa here zvekumanywa zvandaiudzwa ini kuti ndakagara zvonzi hairi rinobvudzudzurwa kumanyowa iri. Hence, Tate Chodaka song Sazita celebrating New Zim. Oh, beautiful. Joshua, I will celebrate. Maybe I will formulate a song with you guys. And Taneta, I love you. Oh, Arise baby. Oh, the baby is going good, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for asking, Shokotafi. And Tamisi Minak says, what does it mean that the president resigned? Is this good? Help inform this Canadian. My dear, the resigning of a president who has been a dictator for more than over 40 years, it's a bright future for Zimbabwe. We just need something new. We don't know what is coming, but we just need something new. It's hopeful. That's why people are very happy, my dear Tammy, to say Mugabe has resigned, because it's been long overdue. A lot of corruption, even the first family, they bully us on Facebook, including Vanavacho, Vana Chatunga, Vana Robert Jr. They bully us on social media. But at least now, Japera. Thank you, Gushungo Neku resign. Chizoro Raivedwe, Munorima, Nzungu Kumsha. Then Tasha Bakata says, you're black, strong and beautiful. We all love you. You are a true black woman. Thank you so much, Tashaba. Thank you so much. I thank also my husband who's really taking care of me. I couldn't have done this alone, you know. I love your spirit. This is Farigonye. Theodore Kanyere says, hi Tate, you're looking good. Thank you so much, Theo. We are talking about issues of Ngochane. Then I hear a lot of people, JT says, like you Tate, I was in a boys' school. I was punished into a urinal high school, beaten up, had all things stolen from me. I wish I would die, but I'm still there. This is JT who is talking about being abused as a LGBTIQ IAAP person. And you know, I would also want JT, if you are comfortable, to tell us, are you a gay man? Are you a transgender? Are you a lesbian? It will be also good for us to know you personally, if you are able to share your story. Mugabe ayenda. Hey Pauline Mpofu, I'm happy that Mugabe is gone. Ngochane ausikudzionawo dzamba dzauya dzichipemberera dzichiti vedwe ngatichitaurei nemagovernment ari kuuya, if it's MDC, if it's Viva Zimbabwe, is any political party vari kuyana naivhani mawarire ivavo tivaudze nana Lumumba kuti iwe Lumumba kune vanorohwawo kumanyowa vamiririrewo, kwete kungoswera kungoti Zimbabwe. Include everyone in this Zimbabwe. Then John P. How are you, John P., my Syrian friend? I miss you too, my dear. Miss you, partner. I miss you so much, my dear. And this is Taita Gail. Hey, Tate. And also you could see that a lot of suicidal issues happens in Africa. A lot of young people, they kill themselves because they are not accepted inside home. But today's issue, let's talk about it. What do you understand by the term LGBTI? Ngochane, gay, lesbian, transgender, intersex, queer people. Was in tears following Mugabe resignation, but you have put a smile back on my face. Love your headpiece. Thank you, Mandimbaya. I'm wearing a LGBTQ and LGBTI headpiece. Francis Faraindoro, she's saying Mugabe is gone. Makorokoto Franzi, Vaenda va Mugabe nai. Let's talk about these issues also to say in the new Zimbabwe. Varkuti include Reve MDC. Varikuti include Revana Maim Juru, Nelson Chamisa, Akamirira Ngochane, kana kuti tichangoramba tichingoshungurudzika kusvika ameno kusvika Jesu auya ndiudzeyo. Mugabe is gone. I can see a lot of people are there joining everything. We want to talk about these issues. Help me clarify these issues with people who think that we deserve hell. Vamwe vanototi ayo denga kuna. Ndozoti kune vanhu denga racho munoriziva here. Retabi Lenare says everyone is including or we will fight again. Thank you, Ratabi Lenare. She's saying, you know, everyone, including the LGBTI, are included. And Tatenda Primrose Mnyoro says, JTAZ, you are strong. Thank you, JTAZ, my love, for being strong. It means a lot. Let me fix my rope. My paint mkata down. Then Tate Mugabe is gone. Oh, my Korokoto Kamicheri. We are all happy. We are all happy. We are all happy to see Mugabe going, but at the same time, Isuse Ngochane, we also have worries. To say, all right, Mugabe is gone. Mabasa achatanga kuwanikwa, vane madegree vachatanga kuwanawo mabasa, upenyu uchatanga kureruka, but ukurerukira tese here. That's what I want to ask. Hesi tate, this is Blessed Kundiwona. Yes, let's talk about these issues. Oh, Makorokoto Mugabe is gone. Makorokoto Amklope. Robert Mugabe is gone. I hope we find a leader who is better. Because munongoziva kuti Mugabe wacho tinozochema toana angari bed vanhu vese vouraiwa nemunhu anenge auya munyowani. At least we want someone who is representative, anonzwa zvichemo zvevanhu. My Sophia Chihambas Tate. Oh, Koshesai, how are you, my dear? Charity Tendai, yes, in this new Zimbabwe. Tate, you are allowed. That way, ini ndirikumva ndati Ngochane dziri kupiko ini ndikuya pa vanhu vese vari kutaura vari kuti yes, we are allowed in New Zimbabwe. Where are you, Ngochane people? Come and celebrate with us. Yippee, hazvinei, ambati yippee. And Charity Tendai, thank you so much to include us, because these rules and mandate of the new constitutions are changed by people. Nusaka tichuya pane vanhu tichikurukura kudai hatipenge kuti tiite maadverts tichiti let's celebrate the lives of everyone, including Ngochane, Ngito, vekovanorowa kumanyowa, vakadzi vanoda vakadzi. We need everyone included in a new Zimbabwe. I also wanted to ask in terms of vanhu vanoenda kuchurch, muti udzo kuti vana magayana namakandiwa vari kuti include here mu Zimbabwe. My dear Tadiwa, Tate Hesi. Hey my dear, how are you doing, my dear Tadiwa? Yes, and Charity Tendi says, and we can't fight the call of nature. We embrace you. That's very true. You don't just wake up and say, today it's winter, I want to be gay. Or tomorrow it's summer, I have to be a lesbian. It's something which is coming from inside people. So I just want to ask from everyone to say, Chimbo Taipa, yes, Kuti, is it possible that as New Zimbabwe will include LGBTIQ people? If you believe in that, just type yes. If I also want to hear from, the LGBTIQ people themselves, Ngochane dzacho, dzitiudzawo kuti muri kudo here kuincludwa mu New Zimbabwe. And this is Premium Kumalo. Mugabe is resigned, guys. Come out and see. People, come out and see Mugabe is resigned. Oh, my beautiful people. So this is how the cookie crumbles, people. Oh, yes, we can hear Mandilani says yes. My dear Tadiwa says yes to a new Zimbabwe which is inclusive to everyone. Oh, I love you people. Rutendo Masimba says yes to a new Zimbabwe which includes everyone, including Ngochane Dzacho, the LGBTI, they are included. So all we are talking about people on Kuti. We need to celebrate a new Zimbabwe which embraces everyone. Vese varipo hanzi Ngochane muriko here uko, Blessed Kundiwona tiriko. Then Berenda Nyamaro said yes, they should be included. We are all human beings. Thank you so much, Kani Brenda. Then Talent Rupu says Charity Tendi, hi Sisi. So this is the issue, people, of people who love. I really like you. You've got full of joy and open. Thank you, Hloni Fani Rees Gubugu. Thank you so much, my dear. We are just talking about these issues of a new Zimbabwe. To say, are these people who are going to celebrate only heterosexuals, vakadzi vanoda varume, only men and women who are into relationships? Oh, are also the LGBTI going to celebrate Ngochane? And Ngochane ziriko zveshua. Vazhinji varume vakazopedzisira varora vakadzi, but in the real life, they really wanted to be what? To be Ngochanes. Oh, Tapiwa Craig Mtsinze, yesi tate urisei, hanzi kufara na Mdara Katuruza. Hope you are still remember him. Oh, Mdara Katuruza, very sake of Edway. I miss you guys in South Africa. That's Tapiwa, my brother, Tapiwa Craig Mtsinze. Love you so much and say kuna Mdara Katuruza. Jiri seko Mdara wa tate. And Tatenda Primrose Mnyoro says, Ed people sazi, vataure ma opinions avo. I really want to add people for sure. Let me hear people who have opinions so that they can add themselves. Let me just use my other screen here. People who want to be added. All right. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? People who want to be added. Okay, Primrose Munyoro. She wants to be added. That's beautiful. All right. Let me add you, Prim, my dear. All right, it's turning down. Octavia Tanyanyiwa, welcome on board. Oh, Admire, welcome, people. I really wanted to add JTAZ first so that, you know, JT can tell us the opinion. Let me just do this so that I can add them. I'm just connecting to my other phone here, so that we really hear from everyone what's happening. You know, I'm adding you guys. I really want to hear your opinions in terms of LGBTI issues. Then some people told me, Tatelicious, why do you say Ngochane? Ay, kaka. In not Ngochane because that's the serious and common term which is used in my vernacular. I'm not shouting at anyone, or I'm not trying to be sarcastic. But unotangira panozikanwa nevanhu handiti? Panozikanwa nevanhu ndo paunotangira. I want to see how I can add this. All right. This is can I add you now? All right. I want to add you. I want to add you. All right. Hello, can you hear me, guys? Can you hear me over there? Beautiful. I want to add ndinoedha sei ndinosikanganwa kakuedha kwacho ndinoenda pakuedha sei. Last time ndakangonoita zvekuedha but ndatokanganwa kuti how do I add. Yeah, vataure my opinions avo. I really want to add. How do I add people here? There is also editors Chitsungo. Editors Chitsungo want to be added. Let me just see how to add people. Mondi, apologies, people, apologies. This technology, you know. Technology. All right. It's now happening. I'm starting to add JAZ. JAZ is starting to be added here. And we really want to hear also opinions of these people to say, as an LGBTI person, as Ngochane, how are you surviving? Shirukufamba say, do you think that you are included in the new Zimbabwe? We really want to see that. We really want to see a new Zimbabwe which includes everyone. We can see also celebrations. People are celebrating really. All right. I can see, all right, add. How do I add people? Help me now. Oh my God. How do I add? How do I add these people? Add. Tatenda Primrose Minyoro wants to be added. How do I put add? All right. I can see add. Someone is being added. Yes. Add one. Of course, we are connecting to you now. We are adding. Are you added? Because I have said add already. Add. Who is in now? Who has been added? Beautiful. Let's start with JT, that one, exactly. Let's start with JZ so that we can add and talk about these issues. That one, exactly. Add. Add to the conversation. We are adding you guys. We really want to hear your conversation. We really want to hear what you say, to say, are we included in the new Zimbabwe? Yes, someone has been added, I can see. Oh, let me just come down. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. JT. Can't bring JT on camera. They can't. Why? I'm trying to add you, JT, but can you accept my invitation? JT, is JT still online? I really want to hear, JT, your experiences being on live. Yes, JT has joined. JT, bring JT on the camera. All right. Yes, JT, can you hear me? Hello, JT. Yes, JT is joining. Hey, JT.
Can you hear me?
How are you, JT?
I'm good.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm surviving.
Oh, thank you so much for joining. It's so humbling to also get people who are, in the part of the family, the LGBTI, talking about issues, and I'm so humbled that you were so courageous to tell us about your story when you were at a boys' high. And of course, there's a lot of discrimination. But how do you identify yourself? Are you, for example, I'm a transgender woman, and for example, how do you identify yourselves in this part of family of ours, the rainbow family?
Well, I identify as a gay male.
All right.
Yeah, that's my identity.
And
yeah.
what are your challenges? For example, how have you, because I've been also looking at your Facebook page and I can see that you're doing very well for yourself, but how have you challenged, how have you managed to come on top of every situation despite the challenges and discrimination in Zimbabwe?
You have, because at the end of the day, people will come and people will say whatever they want and they are allowed to. But what do you say to yourself? That's what matters. So I encourage myself every day to be true to myself and to be who I am, because no one else will be me. When am I going to be me if I'm going to pretend to be someone else every day?
That's very true. And what about the issues also in terms of the family? How did your family accept you? Because I still remember me growing up, my pillar of strength was my mother. I was raised by a single mother, and my mother protected me from everyone. Everyone who said negative things about me, my mother would stand strong. But what about you? How does your family relate with you being a gay man?
Well, it's not easy. Some are still in denial, even though I scream it in their faces constantly, but some of them are just in denial, and I'm like, you know what? It's fine. You will accept it at your own pace, but I'm moving on with life, and I'm taking every day as it comes. Of course, there are
Oh,
some.
well done. Sorry? Exactly. And also, can you tell us, like the names which you have been called before? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yes, T. Yes, T, I can hear you.
Okay, should I repeat?
Hello, T. Hello, T, I can hear you.
Yeah, there's some. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, my dear.
Okay, I'm saying I've been called everything from the devil, from Satan, to the Antichrist, to fag, to uh, the girl, to everything really.
I'm
Mhm.
telling you. And wakambozwa here statement yekunzi unorohwa kumanyowa. Statement inorai ndishota zvisingaire ndichikura. But I really embraced it because ndakangozoita 1 plus 1 ndakati hazvishuwa ndikurohwa kumanyowa. But zvaitirwadza kuti shuwa ndorohwa hangu shure, but munohamati kumanyowa here guys. Nandiri paboys zvaiva zvandibata shamwari.
Mhm.
I know, dear. And what do you want to say to young people? Because I heard from my other friends who are in Zimbabwe to say there are a lot of young people who are gay and they really are, coming out, transgender, lesbian. What do you want to say to the young people in Zimbabwe? Mm-hmm.
working on a paper which talks about internalized homophobia. And this is the hatred that gay people have towards themselves and towards each other. Because ukaenda pa Facebook, ukaenda pa WhatsApp, you know, they start these things, awards where they badmouth each other. We go on Facebook, we slander each other. And we use social media to hurt each other, but we're supposed to be supporting each other. So I'm studying this phenomenon and trying to find out, why is it that society that has told us that we need to community, because it's not a one-day event. You learn about it as time goes on, and unfortunately, there's no manual that says do this and do that. We're never taught this at school, so we make mistakes, but we have to learn from them.
Yes, JT, people were saying they cannot hear you. But I also want you to really say to the current situation in Zimbabwe, Mugabe has resigned. Do you think that the LGBTI Ngochane, they also have a future in these new politicians who are going to come, or in the new ZANU-PF, which is going to still run the country? What's your take with this resigning of Mugabe?
I feel as if it's a new change for Zimbabwe, and for us in the LGBT community, I believe that there is hope. If we hope,
That's very true. That's very true. But thank you so much, JT. And inini is chimbuya chengochani. You know, chi legend chako. I just want to say congratulations for being true to yourself. A lot of people die in shadows, don't wanting to come out and be themselves. So well done, Jay. And, you know, keep on living your life. I wish you the best. If you're still studying, I wish you the best in your studies. If you're working, I wish you the best in your work. And bless you. Thank you for joining my show, my dear. Thank you,
Tate.
Love you so much.
Love you too, Tate. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're making more people join who really wants to join. I can see also Rutendo Masimba. Rutendo, you are now on live with me, Rutendo. Hey, Rutendo. Rutendo, accept my invitation. I want to hear what you are saying. Can anyone hear what I'm saying? Hello, guys. I'm just controlling all the cameras, you know, all the cameras. Hello, guys. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, guys. Rutendo, you are joined. Is Rutendo joined now? Rutendo, you are live with Tatelicious. Hello, Rutendo. Rutendo. Oh, Rutendo is no longer there. I tried to bring him. Rutendo, accept my invitation, Rutendo, so that you can join in. The guests have declined my invitation. Okay. I can also see Shailet Liwayo wants to join in. Shailet Liwayo, if you accept my invitation, you are in. Shailet Liwayo, are you still there, my darling, so that we can talk about these issues? Shai is no longer there. Okay. Who is there again? Charity Mafumo. Charity wants to join in also. Cherry, you are welcome on the platform. I'm inviting you. If you accept, then you're on live. You just press accept. Accept, Cherry, then we are on live together. Inviting. So, people, we are talking about these issues of LGBTI. Let me just sit down, actually. Ooh, LGBTI, Ngochane, are they included in the new Zimbabwe? I can see a lot of people who actually wants to join. Oh my God, let me just make these people join. 2 people want to join. Brenda Nyamayaro. Are you still there, Brenda Nyamayaro? I want to add you as a guest. Brenda Nyamayaro. Brenda, are you there? Brenda, oh, beautiful.
Hello.
Hey, Brenda.
Hi, Tati. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing great, my dear. Thank you for joining on the show, my love.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Beautiful. Today we are talking about issues of the LGBTI, Ngochane, in this new Zimbabwe. In the old Zimbabwe, where Mugabe was the leader, we were not allowed. We were not allowed
Yes.
in healthcare services. We were not allowed in any representation, even if we wanted to look for jobs. It wasn't very transparent. But what do you think now? Is it going to change? Because the old, goose has gone. He has resigned. Is there hope for the LGBTI? Ngochane, is there hope?
There is hope for Ngochane, but first the mentality has to change. Because the mentality back in Zimbabwe is all judgmental and it doesn't seek to understand. It's just criticizing Ngochane. So for Zimbabwe to actually change their views to the LGBT community, their mentality has to change. They have to accept people for who they are.
That's
and
very true.
Not to try to make them what they want to be. Because to be honest, it's like when you have not had problems with your sexuality, like when you have had no issues with your sexuality, it's easy to judge because you don't know the path that somebody is walking. And even kuchechi, even in church, people make these judgments about Ngochane, about what, but really, have you walked in somebody's shoes?
You're gonna die in Sodom and Gomorrah.
Yes, but it's not for you to judge because you don't know what that person is going through. Like I watched your video when you talked about how people beat you up in Zimbabwe. And I just it got so emotional and I felt bad that people's mentality is so shallow. It's really, really so shallow.
Thank you so much, my dearest. Thank you so much. And you would notice, Kuti, in Zimbabwe, people really want to mind other people's businesses, whilst their own businesses is going in the drain. I also wondered when I was in Zimbabwe, you would hear all of the day someone is talking about someone, but you have business which needs to go on. Why can't you just respect yourself and do what you do? Because, for example, people are called harsh names. You heard from Jay. Jay was saying he was called a Satanist and ISIS and what a lot of bad names. And in our vernacular, you hear people, they say, oh, Ngochane, oh, Ngito, oh, Sisi Buti, those issues. Zanombo Garanchi poster on my wall. But do we really want to judge each other because of our sexual orientation or gender identity? It's something which we really need to grow. I really agree with you in the issue of growing up mentality, because for most of the Zimbabweans are in the diaspora. They now know that people are different. This is diversity. And a gay person uye kumba kwako achidya sadza kana kukurepera mwana chaanoda kungoraramba ari Ngochane, chaanoda kurarama ari gay, even lesbians, even transgenders like me, even intersex people. These are people who just want to live their lives. So I really hope kuti ivo vana Lumumba ivavo vari kuadvocatera for a new Zimbabwe, those young activists vana Patson Dzamara, they also tackle every issue. Because someone would say, I was surprised when Joyce Mujuru said issues of the LGBTI are not bread and butter issues. But you would say bread and butter issues when HIV is spreading like nobody's business. Men who are pretending like heterosexuals are coming to gay people at night, fucking their asses. And they go back to their wives, spreading STIs. So these are not, and someone would say it's not a bread and butter issue because they don't understand how the volume of the matter. So I hope these new politicians who are getting involved, they really represent everyone of Zimbabwe.
Yes, the issue is people are now, they do things in secret now. because of the mentality that the segregation and the discrimination. People are afraid to come out. So they do things in secret. They live a secret life, you know. But just like JT said, for how long can you keep on hiding who you are? For how long can you keep on trying to please people and not being true to who you are? It's only a matter of time.
That's very true. And for how long shall we keep on going to the Europe, to America, to find peace because of sexual? Because right now people would say, maybe 10 to 15 years from now, Zimbabwe will be better. But Zimbabwe is better for who? Is Zimbabwe better for everyone, or is Zimbabwe better for heterosexuals? Men and women who are affiliated emotionally, physical, mentally, but for homosexuals, for people who are same-sex, you know, and those people in the LGBTI, they are not inclusive. So they'll keep on running to countries which accept them. But thank you so much, Brenda. I am so educated with your conversation, and the mentality aspect has to change. I love you so much, Brenda, and Wakandi Koshera.
Thank you, Tati, for having me on your life. Take care of yourself.
You are welcome, my love. And the last words you want to say to the LGBTI people, Ngochane dzeku Zimbabwe.
Ngochane dzeku Zimbabwe, ini ndinoti, keep on fighting for your rights. Keep on standing up for yourself. Keep on being true to yourself. Kushikira zvanaka mu Zimbabwe. Don't hide, shy away from who you are. Keep on fighting for what you believe in and who you are. And don't let anybody dull your sparkle. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it or judge you. Because there is nothing to be judged about. We were, yes. And I also want to talk to the church community that you should stop judging people. You should love like Jesus Christ loved, and stop judging people, because so many people out there, HIV, they were not sure what HIV was about. So anybody who had HIV, they dismiss the person, they isolate the person. It's the same issue here. You have no right to judge somebody. You have no right to pinpoint someone, to put them down, to beat them down, to lock them up. Zimbabwe must change. This mentality has to go. That's all I have to say.
Thank you so much, Brenda, and I love you so much. Have yourself a good night. I don't know, is it night there or is it morning?
Yes, but it's night in UK. Okay.